Welcome to AGORACOM, the Small Cap Epicenter, and AGORACOM TV, a daily, fast-paced, edgy show bringing the best press releases out of the small cap space every morning at the open so you can hopefully profit from them and maybe find your next great small cap investment. It's November the 30th. I've got 5 great press releases for you. China is dominating, but great news out of the junior resources space as well. So stay with me. First up, China Finance Online, NASDAQ, JRJC. They announced their third quarter and their 9-month numbers. I'm going to give you a little bit of both from the highlights. As far as the third quarter goes, registered user accounts are up to 18.5 million. That's up 40.7%. Active paid subscribers, about 145,000. That's up 29%. Net income for the quarter, $1.4 million versus a loss of $1 million for the same quarter last year. That's a great number. 9-month numbers, revenues are up 16.4% so far to just under $45 million. Great numbers out of the company. 794 is what they closed at yesterday. 910 on the 52-week high. 620 on the 52-week low. Next up, HQ Global trades on the OTC under HQGE. They also put out their financial numbers. These are the full fiscal year numbers. The company controls and operates 10 vocational schools in China, and they say they're providers of customized, order-oriented vocational educating. Here are the highlights. Revenues up 30% year over year to $47 million. Net income up 27% to $13.5 million. And earnings per diluted share, 49 cents per share. Now that's down from 52 cents last year. However, at 49 cents per share, considering the fact they closed at 45 cents, you're talking about a company that's trading less than 9 times earnings. So that's definitely worth looking into, see if there's some value there for you. But I like those kind of numbers. Next up, China Sun Group High Tech trades on the OTC under CSGH. They announced they signed a contract for lithium iron phosphate, 470 tons of it that they're going to be shipping out to Sair New Energy. This is a vertically integrated supplier of raw materials for rechargeable lithium ion batteries in China. You have to like that. You've got to be bullish on the future of lithium ion batteries, rechargeable batteries. You know that's where things are going. China Sun is going to deliver 470 tons of lithium iron phosphate to the company throughout calendar 2011. They've given a schedule there. You can go take a look at that. That sounds important to me, is knowing they're going to be shipping 470 tons of this. That's great validation. Closed yesterday, $1.08, 52-week low, 60 cents, 52-week high, $2.35. Like that news coming out of them. Hathor Exploration, switching over to Canada, trades on the venture exchange, the stock symbol HAT. They announced an upgraded mineral resource estimate. This for their Rough Rider uranium deposit. Looks like they've got better news than the Saskatchewan Rough Riders, but hey, for Hathor shareholders, it's better off for them. Looks like they're upgrading it to 28 million pounds of U3O8. This is in the their properties in the Athabasca Basin in Saskatchewan. Attributes of the project includes it's approximately 60% in the indicated category. 99% of the mineral resource is amenable to open pit extraction. You gotta like that because that makes it a lot cheaper. Recoveries of 98% have been reported previously, and average depth to the top of the deposit is approximately 215 meters. I like those numbers. The company says that to date, the Athabasca Basin is the only location in the world that hosts high-grade uranium deposits. Their properties, specifically Hathor's, are along the same geological terrain that hosts all of Canada's currently producing uranium mines and accounts for 23% of global production. So that's according to the company. I really like this press release. 313 closed yesterday, not too far off their 52-week high of $3.35 and way off their 52-week low of $1.35. So good news out of Hathor and their shareholders. They've been doing really well this year. Finally, Crust On Molly, TSX Venture, CMS. They announced that they intersected just over 70 meters of 0.076% Molly. These are results from 3 exploration diamond drill holes. This at their El Creston Molly property in Sonora, Mexico. It's a good place to be. That was hole 111. That was the highlight hole. But in addition to what I told you, they also hit in that same hole 0.11% copper and 1.62 grams ton of silver. In addition, take a look at hole 114. 33.5 meters of 0.054% Molly, and hole 115, 18.3 meter section, averaging 0.41% copper with 4.85 grams ton of silver. So good news out of them. Closed yesterday 40.5 cents. That's good to see. Creston's a previous client of AGORACOM. Great company. We've always liked these guys. Always like their projects. They definitely suffered from Moly's fall from grace, and that kind of put all Moly companies out of favor. But their 52-week low is 16 cents. They're back up now to 40.5 cents. So great to see that. Congratulations to Bruce and Ken and all the guys over there. 52-week high, 53 cents. So go take a look at Crust On Molly and see if that's suitable for you. That's a wrap. Have a great day. Remember, if you look for more great small cap companies, get to the front page of AGORACOM, watch the show, read the press releases, and get into our marketplace. All great companies for you. Thanks. Have a great day. See you tomorrow.